Okay, this video is a quick instruction for you to create your own stickers with background and highlight. I don't know what you call that one, that white one. Okay, so you have to have Picsart. It's an app from App Store and Play Store. Just select any photo, but I like using portrait. It's easier and it's cuter. I don't know, it has some effect. So for example, this photo of me, and then you just have to select cutout and person. It's gonna automatically select, but it's a hit or miss. You can modify it by using restore, erase if there's excess, or but in this photo I'm gonna use restore, so just brush it up, brush it up, brush it up. Alright, so preview, that's a preview. I'm gonna brush a little bit here. Yep, okay, I'm not perfect, but that's fine. Just get some of the tails. Okay, you can select preview, zoom out, it looks okay. As what I've said, is a quick tutorial. Right, looks good to me. And then save it as a sticker. I'm just showing you the replay button. It's an option, but yeah, just do sticker. It's not a final step. So once you save it as a sticker, open the app again and create new one. So go to the transparent background. It's on the bottom of the app. And then add photos or add sticker, whatever is right there, the one you just created. Okay, with this one we have to select border and color white, adjust it according to thickness, like this one. I'm gonna show you. There, it's too thick, just make it thin enough that it looks like a highlight. That's it, girl. Perfect. So you can use it on your YouTube or whatever you decided to do. That's what I do for my YouTube thumbnails. Thank you for watching. Bye. Please subscribe if you like my videos.